1. Be aware of the problems that can be caused by water intrusion that occurs in poured concrete foundations. The causes include improperly sealed snap ties, cold joints, where new concrete meets existing concrete, i.e., in an addition of a home, water, well, sewer, and electrical conduit pipe penetrations, foundation wall cracks. On rare occasions, water can come through a concrete wall that hasn't been properly vibrated, thus creating a honeycomb area in the concrete. 2. Repair wall cracks. The only way to repair foundation wall cracks successfully is by the injection process. Injecting a typical wall crack with an epoxy or urethane resin is done under pressure, pushing the material from the inside all the way to the outside. 3. Repair cold joints. Because no chemical bond is created when new concrete is poured against old concrete, cold joints, such as when you put an addition on your home, will often leak water. After the addition has been able to settle for a period of 1 to 2 years, the proper repair to stop water coming through a cold joint would be a urethane injection. 4. Repair snap ties and tie rods. Metal snap ties and tie rods are used to hold the forms of a foundation in place while it is being poured. After the forms are removed, the snap ties on the outside are typically coated with a flexible polymer or hydraulic cement before a damp-proof or waterproofing membrane is applied to the foundation. These snap ties can leak over time if the prep work is not done properly. 5. Repair pipe penetrations. During the construction of a home, holes in the foundations are cored to allow for water, well, sewer and electrical conduits to penetrate through the foundation. For example, a typical sewer line is 4 inches (10.2 centimeters) around. The hole cored may be up to 5 inches (12.7 centimeters) or more, thus leaving a void between the outside of the sewer pipe and the concrete. Prior to backfilling the foundation on the outside, these voids are typically filled with hydraulic cement. Improper preparation around pipe penetration can cause water intrusion. 6. Repair honeycomb areas. A honeycomb area in a foundation is the result of improper vibration or settling of the concrete, thus leaving voids and pockets in the wall. Injecting a urethane resin under pressure will seal and fill these voids and pockets, thus stopping the leak.